Hey guys, today I'm going to show you what is Google Illuminate, and I want to ask you a question that how often do you actually finish reading your research papers or PDF files? If you're like me, probably not often, right? So Google Illuminate might change that. This is an AI tool which can take your documents and turn them into a bite-sized audio summaries. Basically, it makes them sound like a podcast. You just upload your paper and Illuminate does all the hard working for you. So let's have a demo here. For example, there are some research papers, for example, on artificial intelligence. If I click on play, all you have to do is just paste the link where this report or the research paper has been posted and submit it to the Google Illuminate. And then all you have to do is click on play. Let's see how it sounds like.
Ready to break down some research? This paper, Artificial Intelligence Index Report 2024, explores the rapid
So that basically makes it easy to listen to the podcast like your research papers rather than reading it. So if you're not into reading, then you can convert your research papers or any file or any document into a podcast, so it will be easier for you. So if you're new, then you have to join the waitlist before using it. If I click on join waitlist, and then I have to select my profession. For example, if I'm a student, academic researcher, work in tech sector, I will just click on student and I will click on submit. And for work, I will click on submit, and then I'm already on the waiting list. We'll notify you when it's your turn to try Illuminate. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.